Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce you to the new LAX 500G from Stabila. So I'm going to kind of unpack it for you so you see what the box contains. Now this is the 7-piece kit that is available. We also make a 5-piece kit as well. So in the kit you'll receive a charging station, one battery, a stand that will go on the bottom of the laser, which I'll show in a moment, and then also it comes with this architectural ceiling grid T that is also available in the box. So this all fits in here. As you get the machine out, it has, you slide this mechanism forward, that will unlock it. Then when you slide it around, you see the place for the battery. When you put the battery in, on the back it has a red button, and you depress that and you can see the LED lights to how much battery charge you have available at that time. Just slide the battery in the back there, push it in to where it's locked in, turn the machine on there, and as you open it up, there you go, you'll have your horizontal line only. After that, there's a button here on the side. You press that one time, that goes to a vertical line only. You press it another time, you have vertical and horizontal. Now with that, you also have your green dots from below and the top of the laser for your plumb. Also on the side of this machine, you have a yellow button, or it's indicated yellow. And when you press that yellow button, it puts on a green indicator light, and it can be used now with a receiver. That makes it a pulsating laser, and any pulsating laser receiver will work with this machine. Now we also at Stabila have our own universal receiver, and that's an RCE500. Those are available too. So this is really it. It's a new machine for us. It's a little bit more rugged and robust than the older machine, the LAX 300G. That machine will still be available, but this is what we're moving forward with a rechargeable battery, 1-hour charge time, 2-year warranty. And these products are available today at Nail Gun Depot.